Speechelo is a leading AI text-to-speech software that now offers over 250 AI-generated voices as of mid-2025. This includes 150 plus new voices added in the past year, featuring improved naturalness and emotional expressiveness. Voices now include diverse accents in languages like English, Spanish, Hindi, and Arabic. Recent updates include enhanced prosody through integration with advanced large language models from OpenAI and Google, reducing robotic artifacts. Speechelo now offers real-time voice cloning from user-uploaded samples. The platform integrates seamlessly with tools like Adobe Premiere and YouTube Studio. A mobile app is now available for on-the-go use. Subscription options range from $39 to $99 per month. Speechelo's All Voices preview tutorial showcases voice categories including male and female options, age-based voices for children, adults, and seniors, plus styles like enthusiastic, calm, and authoritative. The tutorial displays these categories in an intuitive interface where you can browse and preview different voices. Fundamentals include easy slider controls for pitch, speed, and volume, plus options to add pauses and emotional expressions. The tutorial highlights multilingual support with automatic language detection and various accent options for global content creation. Outputs are in MP3 or WAV formats at high quality up to 192 kilobits, processed efficiently using cloud-based GPUs. No coding is needed. Simply upload your script, select a voice, and export. Use the All Voices preview tutorial to explore options and learn the fundamentals.